Getting your business name. Steps for researching and selecting an appropriate business name. Tips for ensuring that the business name is unique and not already in use. Discussion of the importance of registering the business name with the state. Steps for researching and selecting an appropriate business name. This step involves conducting market research to understand the target audience and competition, and brainstorming potential business names that align with the business's mission and values. This can include researching keywords, phrases, and industry trends that are relevant to the business. Tips for ensuring that the business name is unique and not already in use. This step involves checking the availability of the business name by searching the state's business name database and checking for trademarks or similar names already in use. This is important to ensure that the business name is not already in use by another business and to avoid any legal issues. Discussion of the importance of registering the business name with the state. This step involves registering the business name with the state in which the business will operate. This is important because it establishes the business as a legal entity and ensures that the business name is officially recognized by the state. It also helps to protect the business name from being used by another business operating in the same state. The registration process typically includes submitting an application, paying a fee, and providing any necessary documentation. Explaining the difference between registering a doing business as DBA name and a corporation or LLC name. A DBA name is a name that a business uses that is different from its legal name. For example, if a company is called ABC Incorporated but operates under the name XYZ, it will register a DBA name XYZ to do business with that name. On the other hand, a corporation or LLC is a legal entity that is separate from its owners, and it has its own legal name. Searching the state's business name database. This involves searching the state's business registration database to ensure that the chosen business name is not already in use by another business operating in the same state. This is an important step to ensure that the business name is unique and can be registered without any issues. Checking for trademarks. This step involves searching the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USTO, database to ensure that the chosen business name is not already trademarked by another business. This is important to avoid any legal issues related to trademark infringement. Checking for similar names in use. This step involves searching the internet and social media platforms to ensure that the chosen business name is not already in use by another business. This can help identify any similar names that could cause confusion for customers or potential investors. Checking for domain name availability. This step involves checking if the chosen business name is available as a domain name. This can help ensure that the chosen business name can be used for the business's website and email address. Consulting with an attorney or legal expert. This step involves seeking the advice of a legal expert to ensure that the chosen business name is available and not in violation of any laws or regulations. They can also guide the process of registering the business name and protecting it. A DBA, doing business as, name is a name that a business uses that is different from its legal name. It is also known as a trade name or fictitious business name. A DBA name allows a business to operate under a name different from its legal name without having to create a new legal entity. For example, if a company is called ABC Incorporated but wants to operate under the name XYZ, it can register a DBA name XYZ to do business as that name. On the other hand, a corporation or LLC, limited liability company, is a legal entity that is separate from its owners, and it has its own legal name. A corporation or LLC is a legal structure that provides personal liability protection to the owners, also known as shareholders or members. A corporation or LLC requires more formalities and paperwork than a DBA, but it also offers more benefits like access to more funding options, has a better ability to attract investors, and offers more tax advantages. In summary, a DBA is a name used for business operations. It does not create a separate legal entity. It's an easier and less formal way to conduct business under a different name. While a corporation or LLC is a legal entity that creates a separate entity from the owners and offers more benefits like personal liability protection, better access to funding, and more tax advantages.